Yo, what up YouTube? Shit. Getting ready for school. Already packed up. Boom. You know what I'm saying? I got my shit. Today I'm gonna bring my laptop today to be able to edit some videos at the school, cause the editing shit, you know, definitely takes some time. That's no joke. I'll see y'all in the next shot. Shit, I made it to the school. Now we're just waiting for class to start. My boy right here. Let's get it.
Go ahead. Tell her.
Miss Barbie wants me to tell the whole class that for yesterday I forgive her for what she did. When it comes to the test and the study guide, she's forgiven. All is well.
She really cares. Well, she's forgiven. You want forgiven? You hear that word forgiven?
You didn't lose sleep over it or what?
So it's the way she. Did I lose sleep
Yeah,
over it?
today her arthritis is acting up. She's talking about it. It bothered her.
No, I didn't. But listen to this. I didn't lose no sleep. I'm gonna tell you what I did. I took me some Tylenol, and the Tylenol put me to sleep.
Alright, we gonna have Jose do a low contour fade on Eli. Most students at his and hers barber school. Right now he's caping the client. He said Kyle. So right now he's just debulking with a one open.
And it's like tilted. They're tilted a little bit.
Hey, that cut was clean, right? That cut was clean. I was like, damn. Take it out.
Huh?
Show it to me.
The banana? Show them the banana.
I don't know.
Hey, Corey. That's for me.
Oh, shit.
You good?
I was like, huh?
Thank you.
Not get. Oh, this is dirty.
Banana was just yellow like
Yeah.
Shit. It oxidized. It oxidized, man.
Damn.
Hey, bananas be fire on frosted flakes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I used to do that all the time on Barber.
The fuck?
Damn. He's I got it now.
What's up, nigga?
You get right with me.
Alright, go ahead. Do what you're doing again.
It's already neat.
Let's sit out for it.
Man, let me get that next strip. Wow, that's beautiful. Look how straight that is.
Go.
How straight that next strip is. Hell yeah. Dang, that's a clean ass neck strip.
Hey, what's this?
You see that?
Yeah, crispy. Is this aluminum?
I think so, yeah, because it doesn't rust, it corrodes. Before?
A clean ass tape. Bedhead and shit.
Bedhead and shit.
You gotta do your bedhead.
I'm about to hook this motherfucker up. My homies. Other homies. Alright, let's do it.
You fucking your shit. Oh. It looks fucked, right? I don't even think Louis can fix that.
Nah, you're cabinet.
Nah, yeah, it's fucked. Oh my god.
You're cabinet.
That is like a level -1 made that card. A newborn made that shit over.
They capping, right, Louis?
Louis, don't say nothing. No. Just keep cutting the hair. Nah, yeah, Louis got it, Louis got it. Yeah. Damn. You probably like got half of your time left.
Yeah, right?
Y'all suck. Here's why I'm gonna rush that you got half the time left.
If Alan can do it, you can do it.
Oh yeah, facts. Nah, real shit.
A whole ball fake? He did a whole
Bro, he did it
ball
in
fake.
like 7 minutes. No cap, bro. No fucking cap.
Sweat.
I think he even used the razor.
He didn't even sweat.
Damn, that's crazy.
There was like what? One like 2.
It was. Look at his face. You can see the destruction.